Hey my lovelies, this is Mutulu, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare the Eldertonic via eattolivenottodie.com. So here I've added roughly about a litre of water into my salad master pot. I'm going to bring it to a boil slightly. I'm just chopping up roughly about 14 limes. I'm adding, now that the water has been brought to a boil, that's when you add roughly about a cup of the elderberries. Turn your heat down and let it simmer on the stove for about 15 minutes on the lowest heat, okay? So here I'm just prepping my key lime juice. So once it's prepared, i.e. the Eldertonic, you're going to see me add the key lime juice to the tonic, like so. Now I'm straining it with the smallest mesh. God knows why. I'm going to sweeten it with a little bit of agave. You don't have to do this. You can use date syrup or no syrup, okay? So here I'm just pouring a little portion aside for myself to drink it as a hot tea in its concentrated form. And now you're seeing me turn it into an iced tea. So I've added some more water. I'm going to add some more agave. And now we're going to pour it in a glass bottle, which we can now put immediately in the fridge because I added the water which brought down the temperature. And there you have it. So you can drink it hot or you can drink it as an iced tea. It's that simple. Take care.